Your mindset is the most powerful thing you own. Stronger than money, stronger than circumstances, stronger than what anyone ever said about you. Because long before success shows up in your life, it shows up in your mind. Most people don't fail because they aren't capable. They fail because they've been trained to doubt themselves. They were told to be realistic. They were taught to wait. They were conditioned to believe that struggle is normal and peace is rare. And over time, that belief became a prison. But hear this clearly. Nothing changes in your life until something changes in your thinking. Your mindset determines what you tolerate, what you chase, what you believe is possible, and what you quietly give up on without even trying. Two people can stand in the same storm. One sees the end, the other sees only the rain. The difference is mindset. Your mindset decides whether setbacks stop you or shape you, whether failure defines you or teaches you, whether fear controls you or fuels you. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your mindset. That's why some people stay stuck for years, even decades. Same habits, same routines, same excuses, different day. Because they keep waiting for motivation instead of building belief. But the moment you shift how you think, everything begins to move. You stop asking, "What if I fail?" And you start asking, "What if I don't try?" You stop waiting for permission. You stop shrinking to make others comfortable. You stop explaining your dreams to people who don't believe in theirs. You realize something powerful. You don't need confidence to start. You build confidence by starting. A strong mindset doesn't mean life gets easier. It means you get stronger. It means choosing discipline when motivation fades. It means choosing faith when doubt gets loud. It means choosing progress even when perfection feels impossible. Your mindset is built in the quiet moments, when no one is watching, when quitting feels easier than continuing, when results are slow and the voice in your head asks, "Is this even worth it?" That's where growth happens. Every time you keep going when you want to stop, you train your mind to trust you. And trust is everything. Because when your mind trusts you, you stop self-sabotaging. You stop procrastinating. You stop running back to what's familiar just because it's comfortable. You start becoming the version of you that doesn't need motivation, only direction. Let this sink in. Your future is listening to the way you talk to yourself today. If you constantly say, "I can't," it's too late. It's not for me. Your mind will believe it. But if you choose new thoughts, "I'm learning," "I'm becoming," "I haven't figured it out yet, but I will," your life will begin to respond. Mindset is not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about refusing to let temporary situations define permanent beliefs. It's about understanding that bad days don't mean a bad life. Slow progress is still progress. And growth doesn't always look loud. Sometimes growth looks like staying consistent when no one is clapping. If you're watching this right now, this is your reminder. You are not behind. You are not late. You are not incapable. You are simply in a season of becoming. And the moment you decide to think differently, you decide to live differently. Protect your mindset. Feed it with purpose. Challenge your limits. And never forget, your thoughts are shaping your tomorrow.